નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here. Dear student friends, let's move ahead with the second type of conditional sentence. Second special use and usage of conditional sentence. How the first was, that's different. This one is quite different. There we were having polite request, order, suggestion, probability, possibility. Here the second use and usage of if conditional sentence with a special variety where you will feel somewhere else grammar, rules and regulations are not observed in a right way. Can it be possible? Yes. And this is the special use and usage of it. When you are having assumption for the future, that assumption is very near to an imaginary idea. Imaginary idea cannot be fulfilled, cannot be completed lucidly, easily. In that condition, in that structure, when you will represent your idea, at that time you will use if. But that is special use and usage of if as a conditional sentence. So many times this can be in your composition work, this can be in your essay writing also. First part only, second part you will write. First part is equal to if I were a bird. This can be your essay. Actually, if you think it seriously, you will feel that I cannot be with the bear, I can be with was. But this is the special variety, and here improbable imaginary ideas will be there. As a human being, I cannot be a bird. This is confirmed. Suppose that if I were a bird. In this regard, what can be the possibility? That possibility is equal to your essay writing. Title is if I were a bird. Here with I, where is not used. It is against the norm, grammar norms. It is here used. This is special use and usage. So that if you will use here with if I was, then it is wrong. Where is the correct idea? Where is the correct structure? Where is the correct usage? If I were a bird, improbable, not probable, improbable idea, fully imaginary condition. Assumption is there. Assume, when you will assume something. If I were the Prime Minister of India, then I will do this and that. This and that is equal to your assumption. With that assumption, you will always use with I were, not with I was. I would fly in future. Suppose that at present I become a bird. Then I would fly, I will fly. Here would and will indicates future probability with rare chance. So that only shall is not used with I will. Cannot be used there. Otherwise, surety will come there. So that I would fly in the world, throughout the world, because I like this. This is the special use and usage of second conditional sentence, through which we will be able to represent improbable, imaginary assumption for the future which is not real. Here, where indicates what is the meaning of where? Where is equal to past tense. But yet, you will think that past tense in the meaning with the present tense. અત્યારની વાત કરું છું, જો હું at present bird છું તો here given is past tense, you will think, you will have the meaning of that past tense with the present scenario. This is the most important feature, most important, something different, something special characteristic of you. I would fly, that indicates future hardly possible condition, hardly possible action. I will fly, then certainty, threaten, necessity, compulsion would be there. But removing that, we will think for would, not for will. Or I shall fly in, the shall will do, but would is the right use and usage. Go little back with use and usage of different auxiliaries, from where she will come to know this in detail. This future imaginary idea is fully improbable condition, is fully improbable ideas. Got the idea? Next to that, you will think only and only with where, it's not like that. Here also you will think with different structure. If I had at the time money, given is past, had enough money, then I would have donated to the society. छे नहीं तो आप ही नो दो. Given is past. You will take that one in context with the present. This is the demand of second type of conditional sentence. The meaning with the present tense, where improbable condition is given over here. In this way, we have completed second special use and usage of if conditional sentence. Write down it little bit speedily. Then afterwards, one exercise of our textbook. I will explain to you how you can add your imaginary ideas with the same structure. Write down it speedily so that we can move ahead with the next exercise. Dear student friends, let's move ahead with your textual sentences, exercise sentences, how you will deal with this. If you don't fill the form in time, you will not get the admission, you will not get the receipt, you will not get the hall ticket, you will not get this or that. Simple idea. If you neglect your studies, you will never be a ranker. You will not get the prize. You will not be a studious. You will not be able to clear this standard. So many things you can write here. You see here condition is given. With the condition, with the result and condition, she will make a sentence with if. Raise the volume here better. If you raise the volume of this song or of this device, then I can hear the wordings better. Condition is given, result is also given. The situation is in front of you from where you will make conditional sentence. And this is also from your textbook only. Next to that, your friends have not submitted the work. Suppose that your friends have not submitted the work. What can be the instruction of your teacher? What can be the instruction of your principal? What can be the instruction of your authority? That you think, that you write. This is the answer of your question. Suppose that if you don't submit your work in time, after 3 or 5 days only you have examination. In this condition, up till now you have not submitted your work. Time is up. Then, so that before the end of the time, I will instruct you. Last 2 days are there. Within these 2 days, you have to submit my work, any cost, anyhow. This is my instruction to you. In this regard, I instruct you, and with that instruction, what can be the result? Very next day, by tomorrow, or day after tomorrow. Because last 3 days, 4 days only you are here. Then, if you don't submit your work in time, you will get the punishment openly, 100%. You will sit inside the school. Your parents will be covered. And sitting inside the school only, you will complete the work first, fast. This can be the use and usage of if. Got the idea? In this way, we have completed second special use and usage of conditional sentence with the help of your textbook examples also. I'll request you to write down it a little bit speedily so that it can be helpful to you while writing the answers in your grammar book. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.